Water's not wet. I don't understand how people can possibly think this. Substance like water cannot be wet. Think of it this way. It is only logical to think that if something is wet, then it can be dried. Water cannot be dry. Do you see where I'm going with this? If I pour water on my shoe, or on the curb, or on a mat, whatever, then it is wet. My shoe is now wet. But if I dry my shoe, there is no more water. Since my shoe is dried, it could have been wet. Therefore, since you cannot dry water, water cannot be wet in the first place. Now, you might be saying,
Oh, crap. Oh, I got it. Well, while I see where you're going with your idea, Stockton, water can, in fact, be dry. See, when you boil water, it becomes water vapor. This is the form in which it's dry, because all the molecules are separated. Oh, yeah. That's really good. What do you say to that?
but hey, first I was logical, now let's be scientific. The substance does not change when it goes from liquid to gas. It is always dihydrogen monoxide. You cannot change the chemical format of water just by heating it up. And let's be real, if you did change the chemical form of water and then it somehow became wet, I'm not sure how, then you wouldn't have water. This means that water is still not wet, and my argument would still stand, so don't even try and say, why am I doing this? I don't know, but let's keep going. Now you might say,
oh, crap. Well, there's still an exception to this theory, and it's quite obvious, in fact. See, in a lava lamp, the gas is wet, because gas cannot mix with water, therefore it's covered in water. Oh, yeah.
But hey, that's a debate for a different time. And the gas in that equation, it might be wet, it might not be. I'm not gonna argue that right now, because even if the gas were wet, the water would not still be wet! I hate the arguments that this guy gave. That's it. That's my argument. That's my debate for right now. That's all I have. And if you are still not convinced that water is not wet, comment your feelings, and I will refute them in a later video. Oh crap.